So integrate with respect to x power 11. So first how you need to write, the question will be given like that, you need to write like this only, x power 11 into dx, x power 11 into dx. First you need to apply the formula. Before applying formula, first I am going to differentiate in using differentiate. So d divided by dx x power 11, how we find? You need to bring the power, reduce the power. 11 x power 11 minus 1 is 10. This is the formula. What is the formula? D by dx x power n is nothing but nx power of n minus 1. This is the formula we'll use in differentiate. Wow, we need to reduce the power. We need to bring the power and reduce the power by 1. 11 x power 10. But here formula is nothing but integration of x power n into dx nothing but x power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Here n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here 11. So how I put x power 11 plus 1 divided by 11 plus 1 nothing but x power 12 divided by 12 plus c. You need to put c. Once if you are going to remove from integration, you need to add one constant nothing but c. Okay, so we have got c. So if we are going to differentiate, the answer is going to be 11 x power 10. If we are going to integrate, answer is nothing but x power 12 by 12 plus c. Next, if we are going to move towards second subdivision is x power 7. Second subdivision is x power 7. If we are going to differentiate, what is the answer? 7 x power 6 is a differentiate. Bring down the power, reduce the power. But here x power 7 into dx, what is the formula? X power of 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1 plus c, because of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x power 8 divided by 8 plus c. Next, third subdivision. Third subdivision is cube root of x power 4. How we can write? Always x cubed we can't able to differentiate or integrate. So x power 4 whole power of 1 by 3. This both the powers we can multiply. A power b, b power c. A power b, b power c. I can multiply a power bc. The same x power of 4 into 1 by 3 is nothing but x power of 4 by 3. Integrate x power of 4 by 3 into dx. If I going to differentiate, bring down the power and reduce the power by 1. This is the differentiate. Now here integrate nothing but x power of 4 by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So cross multiply 4, 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, x power of 7 by 3. Here 7 by 3 means here also 7 by 3. 7 by 3. This 3 moves upward, so it becomes 3 by 7. 3 by 7 x power of 7 by 3 plus c. This is the integration for this sum. Next, if we are going to see for fourth subdivision is nothing but x power of 5 whole power of 1 by 8. So this one we need to multiply, then only we can able to integrate. You know the formula, a power b, b power c, x power of 5 into 1 5, 5 by 8. Now start to integrate x power of 5 by 8 into dx, because with respect to x, so into dx. So x power of 5 by 8 plus 1 divided by 5 by 8 plus 1, you need to add one constant called c. So what is going to answer? X power of 8 into 1 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. X power of 13 by 8 divided by, if we are going to get 13 by 8, this also going to be our 13 by 8 plus c. Now this 8 moves upward, 8 divided by 13. This 8 moves upward, 8 divided by 13, x power of 13 by 8 plus c. 1 divided by sin square x. There is no differentiation for 1 divided by sin square x and 1 divided by sin square x. So what are you going to make? 1 by sin square x, I can write as cosecant square x. I can write as cosecant square x. Before I am going to integrate, first I am going to differentiate d divided by dx of cosecant square x. So first bring down the power down. 2 cosecant, reduce the power, cosecant x. Next differentiate cosecant. Cosecant differentiate is nothing but minus cosecant x cot x. This is the answer for this. Bring down the power and reduce the power by 1 and inner function. Cosine x difference is nothing but minus cosine x cot x. Here there is a straight formula for cosecant square x in integration. So integration of cosecant square x into dx is nothing but minus cot x plus c. This is a straight formula. I have forgotten to write this formula here, so please memorize this formula also. So students, write this formula in your formula, in the formula number we have put 1 2 3 4. Write this formula here. So integration of cosecant square x into dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. This is a straight formula. you need to memorize. Next, second subdivision. You can able to differentiate. No, what is the difference between the differentiate and integrate? See, what is the difference between them? So, second subdivision, tan x divided by cos x. There is no differentiate for tan x divided by cos x, and there is no integrate for tan x divided by cos x. So, what are you going to do? This tan x I am going to keep as it is, tan x into 1 by cos x. So, this 1 by cos x I can write as secant x. So, integration of tan x into secant x into dx. Integration of tan x into secant x into dx. Tan x, secant x and dx nothing but secant x plus c. This is also one of the formula, because in second subdivision they are given all the formulas one by one. In second subdivision, this is one of the formula. Integration of cot x, differential of cot x is nothing but minus, you can write minus cosecant x cot x. So, differentiate of secant x tan x, differentiate of secant x nothing but secant x tan x. They given the formula back to back. So, third subdivision is nothing but 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x I can write as secant square x. This is a question we need to write here. Integration of secant square x into dx nothing but, so for we can write nothing but minus cosecant x tan x. Secant square tan x nothing but tan x plus c. This is also one of the straight formula. Integration of secant square into dx nothing but tan x plus c. This is also on a straight formula. These are the three formulas you need to memorize. What is the differentiate of tan x? Differentiate of tan x nothing but secant square x. Differentiate of secant x tan x. Okay, so these three formulas you need to memorize. If you are not going to memorize these three formulas in back to back sums, the sums will be somewhat difficult. So memorize these formulas. You write in the formula one by one, you have written 1 by 1, 2, 3. Write the formulas, these three formulas here. Next we move towards the third sum. Third sum for subdivision 12 cube. So how are we going to do? Integration of 12 cube into dx. 12 cube is a constant. Move 12 cube outside. Integration of dx. 12 cube is a constant. Integration of dx, we have saw x. We need to add one constant called c. That's all for subdivision. Next is second subdivision. Integration of x power 24 divided by x power 25 into dx. Okay. During such sums, here 24 and 25. So I can, if I am going to cancel, that will be 1 by x into dx. So this has straight formula. 1 by x is nothing but log x plus c. Sir, suppose I am going to bring, but in differentiate, this x will be brought upward, x power minus 1. If we are going to differentiate, bring down minus 1, x power minus 1 minus 1. This is possible in differentiate. But in integrate, if we are going to bring x power minus 1 upward, what is the formula? X power minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1. That is x power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is x power 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. X power 0 by 0 moves to infinity. We should not get infinity, no. So only 1 by x alone will keep down itself, because straight formula. Suppose if it is 1 by x square, we can bring upward minus 2. So we need to add 1, x power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Integration is possible. X power minus 2 integration is possible. X power minus 1 integration is not possible. So we need to bring down 1 by x log x plus c. Next, e power x. Integration of e power x into dx nothing but e power x plus c. The straight formula. Integration of e power x is e power x. We need to add one constant nothing but c. Next, fourth sum. First subdivision, they given 1 plus x square whole power minus 1. This one we can write as 1 plus x square. This minus 1 become plus 1. But if we are going to be differentiate, d by dx 1 plus x square whole power minus 1. First bring down the power minus 1. 1 plus x square, reduce the power minus 1 minus 1. Then we have differentiate for power. Next, differentiate inside. 1 differentiate is 0, x square differentiate 2x. This will, such a type will move in differentiate. But in integrate, 1 plus x square whole power minus 1, I am going to write as 1 divided by 1 plus, because minus 1 is, I told minus 1 is not possible. So minus 1 will bring down, it becomes plus 1. So integration of 1 by x square plus 1 into dx. I have written the straight formula for this. 1 divided by x square plus 1 dx. The straight formula is nothing but tan inverse of x plus c. Next, second subdivision, 1 minus x square whole power of minus 1 by 2. The same problem, 1 minus x square. How I can write? If we are going to bring down this minus 1 by 2 become plus 1 by 2. Still how I can write? 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus x square. This 1 by 2 I can write as square root. So now 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. This formula is nothing but sine inverse of x plus c. This is also one of the straight formula. Integration of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. This is one of the straight formula, sine inverse of plus c.